It is day 3 here at Disney World for our anniversary trip, and we are super excited that you joined us. First things first, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button if you like what we're doing, and that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a video on Mondays and Fridays. So today is a really exciting day. Actually, we are at the Grand because we just finished breakfast at 1900 Park Fair, and we'd never been there before. But to hear more about that, you're going to have to check out the dining review that we're going to put out that's separate from this video, so be sure to check that out. Right now we are headed to Hollywood Studios, and we are going to start our day over there, and we're going to catch some fun stuff. We're going to do, of course, Toy Story Land, because you guys know that that's really the only reason I go to Hollywood Studios right now. So we're going to head over there, and let's get started.
We have made it inside Hollywood Studios. We are going to go see Indiana Jones, a stunt spectacular, because last time we were here, a bunch of you told us in the comments that we need to go see it. So that's what we're going to go do. But first off, look at these fans. We got these Nick fans that we told you about yesterday.
Game changer.
Game changer. They are awesome. It's not portable air conditioning, but it makes the heat tolerable. And that's okay. That's all I want. So anyway, we're going to head over to Indiana Jones, since that's what you told us you wanted us to do. Go get some film in there for you, and we'll see how we think of it when we're done. So let's head over to Indiana Jones. Alright, we just did Indiana Jones as you told us we needed to, and I have to say, that was pretty awesome. Like, that was a pretty fun time. Never seen that. I really enjoyed that. What'd you think, Crystal?
Yeah, it was good. It was really cool, actually. It was unique. It was like kind of what they used to do here, like a long time ago when I was a kid and we'd come. They had a lot more shows like that, so it was kind of like a throwback.
It was a fun time, like, and it's got a lot of fans in there, so if you're trying to beat the heat, you can in there.
Yeah.
So it's not air conditioning, but there's a lot of air moving.
Yeah.
All right, well, that does it for Indiana Jones. We're going to kind of walk around and see what we can find. We're walking down Grand Avenue right now, so Crystal can go to the bathroom over by Muppets. And all the facade blocking Galaxy's Edge's tunnel is gone.
This just happened today.
This literally happened today. Like the facade they had with the Millennium Falcon said Galaxy coming soon. It's all gone. So
it just got real.
It's real. Like, this is really happening. That's so cool. So as you see, the tunnel is fully exposed. How cool. We were here for this. There goes Crystal. She's off to go to the bathroom. This is super exciting. All right, well, we went and saw the tunnel being exposed, and that may seem really dumb to some people.
Super cool.
But it's actually really cool. Like, that means that, like, it's real. Like, to hear everyone in there working, like, it's a very surreal moment. If I could, I would go back on telling Dave that I couldn't come to opening day. But too many things are set in stone now. So anyway, now that I've gotten past that moment, that was probably one of the coolest Disney moments ever. Even though it may be dumb to some, we were actually here for that. That was cool. But now we're going to head over to Toy Story Land. We got a fast pass for Slinky Dog. Let's go to Toy Story Land.
Dave, what's the best row for Slinky Dog?
The back row.
Guess
Row
where we
9.
are? Row 9.
Alright, well, Slinky Dog was as fun as normal, was it not?
Always fun.
Always
and we were in
fun.
the back row, which is the best.
And how cool was it to see Galaxy's Edge?
Oh, it's so awesome. I mean, it's just amazing. And I love all things Disney, so like I'm super excited for Star Wars, but like I don't really watch movies. So for me, like it's more like the theming and the Imagineering and the details, and that's like even I'm super excited, and I'm not like a Star Wars buff like him.
Right. So me, I'm on like cloud 9 just from a tunnel being open.
Yeah, I bet he teared up a little bit.
No, I did not. Only when I see the Millennium Falcon, I might. But anyway, that's going to do it at Hollywood Studios for today. We're going to head home, just hang out at the resort, swim in the pool. And then we got dinner tonight at Toledo at the Gran Destino. So we're going to go have dinner there, and probably we are going to go look around the resort over there and get some footage and make sure
Yeah.
it's up to standards.
I'm so excited to see that resort. It just looks absolutely beautiful. Be sure to check out our blog posts that have everything from food to all the details and dining, and also some details about rooms and all that kind of stuff.
All right. Well, we'll catch you guys later after we get done swimming. So when you come to the Gran Destino, make sure that you know that when you walk in, you are on the second floor. So the first floor, you go down a grand staircase, and that's where the Barcelona bar is. It's down there. Sits back looking over the lake, over some big windows. But you walk in on the second floor, the lobby's over there. There's a nice glass wall that you can look out and look down onto the Barcelona lounge. But I mean, so far, this resort is beautiful. Crystal's running around. She's in heaven. She's taking pictures of everything because she loves this architecture. But so far, the Gran Destino is beautiful. Alright, well that's going to wrap up our day today. We didn't really film a whole lot tonight because we want you to watch our video from Toledo. It was a lot of fun.
Such an amazing time tonight. It was
Yeah.
so fun.
Hanging out with Jenna and Dale from Resort TV1, MinneMariaMouse, Cory and Stephanie from Cory Meets World, and Dave and Brandy from Brandy and Dave. I mean, it was a fun night getting to hang out with people in this Disney community and having really good food at an awesome resort.
Yeah, it really just like brings home to us like why we so much love this community, like
Yeah.
everything about Disney. It's like why we get involved in this community.
Yeah, it's why we want to do what we do.
This. Yeah. So.
But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you can know when we put out new videos on Mondays and Fridays.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we are going to see you tomorrow for another vlog. So thank you for stopping by.
And for the love of the mouse,
never forget
that it all started
with a mouse.